Hi, this is Monica Mueller, Advanced Certified QuickBooks Pro Advisor and Intuit Premier Reseller. And today I want to show you one of my favorite features in QuickBooks, and that is the company snapshot. So to get here, I've got it open already, but you may have it on your toolbar. And if not, then you should be able to find it under the company menu and then click on Company Snapshot. What I like about it is I'm not going to tell you that it will show you absolutely everything you want to know about your business, but it will tell you almost everything you want to know about your business. So it's going to let you see account balances, payables, receivables, who's late, whether you're late. You can see trends, kind of all in one screen, and that's what I really like about it. So I have the sample Rock Castle construction company open. That'll be the sample product company if you want to play around in a sample file. What I like about it is there's 3 tabs. I'm going to focus mostly on the company. There are 12 different screens that you can put on here. So I'm just going to right now click on Add Content because I just want you to see what they are. So account balances, previous year income comparison, how your income breaks out, if you've got multiple income accounts, previous year expense comparison, the expense breakdown, picture's worth 1,000 words, isn't it? Income and expense trends, your top customers, your best-selling products and services, who owes you money. I'll show you this in a couple minutes. Vendors that you need to pay, and reminders. Also, what I want you to see is that some of these are already added into the screen, and if you see it say Add, it's not showing up here right now. So I'm going to click on Vendors to Add and Reminders. Let me see if there was anything else that I like to pull in. I think for right now, for this sample file, that's all I'll do. But you can certainly add. I just want you to see you can add your own. And if you've got some that you don't want to see, then you can click on this arrow. You can click on the X to get rid of it. The other thing you can do is you can move these around. So I tend to like my things in a certain order, so I like to see my account. I'll just kind of show you how I like to see them. My account balances I usually have up here. My reminders I put over in the corner. This is great because especially if you're not the one doing all the book work, then this gives you an idea of maybe what is still pending or what has happened that you might not know about. I put customers who owe money up here, and then I kind of group things together. So my vendors to pay comes over here, so I see that pretty quickly. And then you can kind of scroll down and kind of go, again, you can kind of put these in any order that you want. So you can click on the plus sign to get more information, which is always good to see. The other thing, I'm going to bring over I have another company file open because what I want you to see, this sample company is dated in the future, so nothing is late, right? And for most businesses, I know there's usually at least a couple slow-paying customers, correct? So I'm going to bring this over real quickly. Let's see if I can get this screen over here. Get it to behave. Pull it up here. Okay, this is a sample file that I've played around with. I've not added any information to it in a long time. And if this really were their books, they'd be out of business, as you can see. But what I want you to see is that customers who owe show up in red, and any bills that you owe show up in red. So what I like about that is it jumps out at you. And when this is kind of like a place where you can go for the day, look at it quickly before you're off and running, going to appointments or reaching out to your different customers and so on. So I like that it jumps out at me. And then just a couple other things. You can play around a little bit with these date ranges. You cannot choose between cash basis and accrual. I know some of you like to do that. A couple other things you might want to see, like if you want to see like recent payments that you've had, you can check out that way. And again, you can customize this screen if you want. And then with the customers, you can do the same thing. This can be an eye-opener, how long they've been a customer, how long it takes them to pay you. That's always a real eye-opener, right? But probably a good one for you to see. And then kind of like the best-selling services that you've done with them. So it might be some useful information. I probably personally spend most of my time here, but I just wanted you to see that that's how you can get in. You can make these screens a little bit bigger if you wanted to. You can print. If you have a really long list, it may not all print out, but you can kind of play around with that. So if you have any questions, let me know. This is, like I say, one of my favorite features in QuickBooks. It's kind of a quick one-place stop, but I just wanted you to see it in action in addition to the article that I wrote about it. So any questions, just reach out to me. Thank you.